we are working with this. So, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is xxMaythe for those of you who are new here. If you are new here and you have absolutely no idea that my hair texture is this right here, hi, you're not alone. Today I'm going to be trying out the Bondi Boost thermal round brush. So if you have been on the internet at all for the past year or so, you've probably seen this type of tool. I recently pulled the plug and decided that I wanted to try one for myself on my hair texture. For the most part, my hair is pretty tameable, so it is obedient. Sit back, relax, and I guess watch me try this tool. I'm setting the heat at 425. I'm gonna work with 1/2 of my hair first, and I'm just gonna take like 1/4 inch sections and just work that way. feel like you can really tell a huge difference. Obviously the side that's smooth out versus the one that is not. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other half of my head off camera, and then I will be back. Hair is now fully smoothed out and I am ready for the day. So I just wanted to come back with some final thoughts. So overall, I do really like the brush. I do find that you really do have to create a lot of tension to be able to smooth out the hair, just as you would with like a regular round brush and a blow dryer, or in this case the Dyson Airwrap. Like you really do have to create a lot of tension, which could be a little hard. So you do really have to use both hands, but it is a lot easier than using a blow dryer. I feel like it's a little lighter. It didn't pull too much of my hair out. I think it's like pretty normal, the amount of hair that came out, so that was also fine. The only thing that I did struggle with is because my hair tends to be frizzy and curly, around my hairline right in here, my hair does typically get super curly, and it's really hard to tame unless I do have a tiny brush, or if I'm using a hair straightener. So I had to go back in and kind of separate the hair that's closest and really create a lot of tension and curl inward and then curl it outward towards the end. So yeah, I would say overall, if you're looking into getting a thermal brush, I would highly recommend the Bondi Boost. I know that there are quite a few options on Amazon. You could also get one at Sephora. You can get one at Ulta. There's so many different options. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.